Let's talk about the numbers of Firstsource and what the outlook is. Sanjiv Goenka, the chairman of the company, now joins us on the phone line. Mr. Goenka, morning. Revenue growth at 2% on a sequential basis is a little lower than what the industry has reported so far in the quarter gone by. Could you tell us the reason for this subdued sequential growth?
Well, if you look at it year on year, it's actually 42%
Yes.
growth. So that's quite impressive, and that probably would rank amongst the highest in the industry. But having said that, the last quarter was very high for us on mortgages. And we had said that the first quarter will be going down because of the mortgage business. I mean, we'd grown by 71% on mortgage business the last year. And that was bound to see some kind of a drop-off. So there is a minor drop-off from there. And that is the reason for this. But the important thing is PAT has grown by 51%. And to me, that's an important factor.
Mr. Goenka, on margins, your EBIT margins are well above that 15% mark, which is much higher than what historically Firstsource has enjoyed, which is closer to the 10% band. Do you think you will be able to sustain margins above 15% at the EBIT level?
I think what I will stick to is that we had given revenue growth guidance of 15 to 18%. I think we will definitely stick to that. And we would see a slight expansion of EBIT margins from last year. That, again, I can confirm. But I'm not going to specifically state what exactly that margin, whether that margin will be X or Y or Z, but it will definitely be higher than last year.
Okay. And also, could you tell us how your other verticals have done, your communication, media, technology, and going ahead, what will be the key driver for the company this year?
Well, I think healthcare has done well last year. I mean, it grew 20%. And mortgages, of course, grew 71%. CM grew 33%. But healthcare is something that is actually going to go high. I think our foray into the tech space, FGT, is going to be a big driver for us. And we did complete our acquisition of Patient Matters, which was good. We are at this point in time in the process of evaluating different M&A opportunities, quite a few actually. So let's hope some of them materialize.
Mr. Goenka, should we expect something in this quarter?
Possibly.
Okay. I mean, anything you can, not details of course, but what exactly are you looking to add on with these acquisitions?
Well, bottom lines for sure, revenues and competencies, new logos. So I think it's an important period for us. The next 2 to 3 quarters will be quite important, because I do expect more than one M&A to happen in this period.
What is your long-term margin aspiration?
You know, if you frankly look at the year-on-year charts, Firstsource is actually topping those charts. I think that's aspirationally, that's where we want to be and carry on being at that level.
Mr. Goenka, thank you very much for joining in. We understand you have your AGM starting in minutes from now. So thanks again for speaking with CNBC TV 18.